In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enter opening balances in Xero the right way, so your accounts start clean, accurate, and fully aligned with your previous records. If you're moving to Xero from another accounting system or starting fresh but already have existing balances, this is a crucial step you don't want to get wrong. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along with confidence. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see your organization name. Go ahead and click on your organization name. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings area, you'll see multiple sections related to your organization setup. Under the Accounting header, look for an option called Conversion Balances. This is where you enter your opening balances when transitioning into Xero from another system. Click on Conversion Balances. Now you'll see the Conversion Balances screen. The first thing you need to confirm is your conversion date. This date represents the month you started using Xero. It's extremely important that this date matches the actual point in time when you switch to Xero, because your opening balances should reflect your financial position at the end of the day before that date. Click on Conversion Date and set it to the correct month and year. For example, if you started using Xero in January 2026, your conversion date would typically be the last day of December 2025. Make sure this aligns with your prior financial reports. After setting the conversion date, you'll see a list of accounts from your chart of accounts. This is where you'll enter your opening balances. You'll notice there are debit and credit columns. Carefully enter the ending balances from your previous accounting system into the appropriate accounts. For asset accounts like bank accounts, accounts receivable, or equipment, you'll typically enter amounts in the debit column. For liability and equity accounts like loans, accounts payable, or owner's equity, you'll usually enter amounts in the credit column. Revenue and expense accounts may also have balances if you're converting mid-year. Always refer to your trial balance report from your previous system to ensure accuracy. Take your time here. Accuracy is critical. The total debits must equal the total credits. If they don't balance, Xero will notify you, and you won't be able to save until everything matches correctly. If you're unsure, compare your entries with your prior system's balance sheet and trial balance report. Once you've entered all your totals correctly and confirmed that everything balances, go ahead and click Save. Xero will now store your conversion balances, and your organization will officially reflect your starting financial position. After saving, it's a good idea to double-check your balance sheet report in Xero. Go to Reports, open the balance sheet, and confirm that the numbers match your previous accounting system as of your conversion date. This extra step ensures there were no data entry mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully entered your opening balances in Xero. Setting this up correctly ensures clean reporting, accurate tax filings, and reliable financial insights moving forward. If this video helped you understand how to enter opening balances in Xero, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.